Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel Logic Medico. Today's interesting topic is Pronator teres. If you are new to our channel, kindly consider subscribing to our channel and don't forget to press the bell button. So let's understand what is this muscle, Pronator teres, where it is located, what is the origin, insertion, nerve supply and action of this muscle, nerve supply and action. So first of all we will know what is the meaning of Pronator teres. See, Pronator teres, pronator means the action which it performs, that is pronation. That's why it's called pronator. Teres meaning this muscle has a cylindrical outline. Overall it will be having a cylindrical outline. When you take a cut section it appears rounded. So in Greek and Latin, teres means rounded in appearance. So therefore it is called like this, Pronator teres. Now what is the location of this muscle? It is located in the front of the forearm. It is an anterior compartment muscle. It is a superficial flexor muscle. So it is present in the anterior compartment of forearm. So let's understand the orientation of this muscle. So first, diagrammatically we'll draw humerus. So this is the medial epicondyle of humerus. Only what is required we should be able to label. So this is the medial epicondyle of the humerus. Next we should draw radius bone. This is a radius. The lower end is much broader than the upper end. So this is a radius, one of the forearm bone. So this anterior compartment of forearm, the superficial flexor muscle, takes origin from the anterior surface of medial epicondyle. This anterior surface of medial epicondyle is therefore called as common flexor origin. So today's topic is Pronator teres, even that belongs to the common flexor origin. To summarize, the muscles belonging to common flexor origin are Pronator teres, flexor carpi radialis, palmaris longus, flexor digitorum superficialis and flexor carpi ulnaris. But today's topic is Pronator teres. We can see other videos, other muscles in the subsequent videos. So Pronator teres takes origin from the anterior surface of the medial epicondyle of humerus. So this is the origin. So its insertion is to the shaft of the radius. Which part of the shaft? The middle of the lateral aspect of the shaft of the radius. So we just have to draw one rounded muscle from the medial epicondyle of humerus till its insertion, that is middle of the lateral aspect of the shaft of the humerus. So this is the muscle called as Pronator teres. Now what is the nerve supply for this? The nerve supply for this muscle is one of the nerve which is traveling in the middle of the forearm. So when it's traveling in the middle, it will be called as median nerve. So before entering the forearm, it leaving the cubital fossa, it has to pass through this Pronator teres muscle. So before passing through that muscle, it will supply that muscle. So the nerve supply for the Pronator teres is median nerve. So what is the action? The name only is telling the action. Can you guess what is the action? So it acts from medial epicondyle. It pulls this radius like this towards the medial epicondyle. So the action is, it will rotate the radius posteriorly in such a way the palm of the hand will be there. Na? See, this is the palm of the hand before the Pronator teres acts. Okay, you can see the creases and all. Okay. So once the Pronator teres contracts, the palm of the hand will move across and it will come off like this. So you can see the nails here. So the palm of the hand will now face posteriorly. So this action is called as pronation. Therefore the name Pronator teres, because the action of this muscle is pronation. Okay, to summarize, Pronator teres takes origin from medial epicondyle of humerus, insertion middle of the lateral aspect of the shaft of the radius, nerve supply median nerve, Action, pronation of the forearm at the radioulnar joints. Thank you for watching Logic Medico and learning from here. Share this video with your family and friends. Don't forget to press the thumbs up button. Thank you once again.